Alright guys, another episode of 505 RC here. Got the Jeep Rubicon with lighting so far. It does have fog lights. It also has turn signals. I'll try and give it some gas. I don't know if I should. Just show the... Well, these do come on when you hit the gas, then they come on. It was reversed with the way they wanted me to have it, where the headlights would come on, but I want these on all the time, and then the fog lights to come on as I'm giving it gas going down the road, you know, to brighten up the trail, so to speak. So yeah, I know I see the wire mess, but I'm just now touching up on this guy. I know it's been a minute since I got with you guys on this, and now it does have tail lights. Oh gosh, I'm gonna knock everything over because it's such a mess. Okay, here we go. Here's the rear of it. It's got tail lights right there, as you can see. Move it up a little bit. I don't have the rear turn signal lights and or reverse lights, and this is why. Because you only have one socket hole in this light housing. I looked up on Shapeways, Night Customs and a few other guys, RC Nerds and stuff like that, have these light buckets for this, but for 2 lights only. I need it for 3. I need the brake light, reverse light, and then turn signal light, which should be technically, I think, on the side or something, but or it's one whole light, brake light and turn signal light. But as we all know, RC lights are not like that. So I have a problem here. I can order that and have 2 sockets, but for what? Still gonna have no turn signal. And if I'm gonna make this scale like it already is, I need to add the turn signal light. So if anybody makes a JK series Jeep rear tail light and bucket assembly that has a 3 socket where you can have like your brake light over a little bit more and then fit the tiny little turn signal light up at the top corner of it, or vice versa or whatever, and then divide that across so you could put in the reverse light, or even, since the reverse light's so tiny like the turn signal light, could do one big brake light, because that's a 3 mil or something like that, and then the other ones are like 2 mils. So we could do a reverse light, right, and then a turn signal light. Since the light's already orange or amber, whatever you want to call it, and it's in that clear lens, it'll still look like a turn signal light when you're using it. So hopefully I gave somebody that 3D prints an idea of how to design that, if they don't already have it out. But I'm thinking I may pop this tail light out and try and drill 2 holes down here and just leave that brake light in the middle, or maybe I can hollow it out and move it up, because I only use hot glue, which thank God I did, because also I'd have turn signal lights in the front that both flash like hazards instead of the right side, the left side. So, but anyway, that's my dilemma I'm in right now with this guy, is the fact of you know, there's no tail light buckets that are properly to scale for a scale lighting system to make the Jeep like it should be in real life. So as you can see though, I got the lights going on, working on this thing, and I'll pause it so you guys could see the fog lights come on. I'll get it on jack stands. Alright guys, got her all up on jack stands, and here we go. See? There's the fog lights, and the headlights get brighter as you're going. But when you stop, they dim down. And then going again. So there you go, guys. If anybody knows a place where I could buy those rear light buckets that are already made like that, that would be awesome. I'd highly appreciate it. If not, I'm going to pop those out in the back and see what I can do as far as making that work. And we'll see what happens. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and I appreciate you guys' time. And here soon, that'll be going. I ordered the wrong EFC. That Talon is for planes only and helicopters, and I didn't think it would matter because I've never messed with that kind of stuff, and well, it matters. So now I have an ESC to sell, but I have the right ESC coming for that one. I'm just waiting for it to get here, and the battery's already coming for it as well. But anyway, I will do an update once I get this handled. I got to get it done sometime today because I got a crawler deal tomorrow, and I want to get that all on video. Hopefully, I couldn't find a GoPro case, but I'm gonna try and find one before we head out tomorrow to film it all, or film most of it. We'll see what happens. Alright guys, thank you.